Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Noman from Fitness Techies, and today we are going to repair uh, the PCB card of Matis treadmill. You can take TRX4E, TRX3E in many kind of models of the Matis treadmill. We will usually see that there is the same card, and these cards have three parts. Normally, let me show you the card in its original form. Now this is the card. As you can see, this is the original card in which all PCBs are connected. Now this is the power card. This is a control card, and at last we will see that this is a motor drive card. Now the problem I'm facing in this card is basically the error which I am getting, that is 02 B5, which is the error of current sensor. Basically we connect our motor here at this point, and these are the three current sensors, number 1, number 2, number 3, the current sensor for U, V and W. So I'm getting the error of current sensor card, that is 02 B5, and for any kind of error in this delta card, that is of Matis treadmill, you will have to just disassemble all the parts. The power card, this is okay because I've seen that the power is coming and the card is in its own condition, so we don't need to check this card because we are getting the power. So just bring it out, because this card is placed here at this position, so when it is placed we cannot check the SMDs and ICs that are below this card. So that's why I bring it out. After that, you have to check all the SMD resistances of this card. Basically this is a very good engineered card, so if any of the issue occurs, so the number of times, you can say that 90 out of 100 cards might have issue, then you have to check out all the resistances. I have checked all the resistances, and I have found 3 faulty resistances in this card, that is 1 mega ohm, the 21C and 01B. There are 3 resistances. So you have to firstly check this card. You have to replace the faulty resistances with the good condition new resistance. So in this way, check out these resistances. Like now I've checked this card, and now I am working on this resistance in the resistance of this card. If there is if you just check the card and you haven't find any faulty resistance, so the second chance comes of all the SMD transistors. If the transistors goes well, and then you come towards the ICs. Depends on which kind of IC you have to check. If all these things are okay and still it is showing the 0 to B5, 0 to A5, the current sensor, then you have to replace these ICs. If again you have changed these things but nothing is working, then we have a module below this. Now let me show you the module. We have a pin module. At last we come to the module and change it. Let me show you the module. Now I'm just bringing out the module so I can help you out whenever you are just repairing any card. Note it that I am working on error 0 to B5. Error 0 to B5. Now these are very old cards and they are quite rusty. No, fine. Now I'm just uh, trying to bring out the nuts, but you can see that nuts are very very uh, open faced. Their tooths are just broken, so let me take out this. Now I just brought out this nut. As you can see, this face is totally damaged. I'm working on another. Just after bringing it, I will just continue my video. Bad luck today. Just stuck, screws were just stuck, so at last I'm able to bring it out. Now let's see this. Just see this. What is this? Now this is the module I'm talking about. we will just come to this module at very last, at very last, you know, because this is very uh, uh, you can say a stable module. So after checking the whole card, you will just come back to this module that this is not working. Always remember, whenever you take out some kind of things, then you just put back the screws. In this way, when you are just assembling back the card, you will not have to face the issues of uh, lost screws. Now we are coming to the important work. Now this is the now let's come back to this side. Now I am starting from this side. I am checking the resistances. I have checked this section. I have checked this section, and now I am going to check this section, this one. Now let me just fix my tripod. Now I hope that you are just getting the right image. So this is, I have checked this position, this IC and all the respective assemblies. Always use glass to see these small components. 51D, 51D. I have a resistance whose name is 51D, and the value of this resistance is 332K. Now you can see that I am getting the value is 332K, and here I am getting 324.25. Now here the increase in resistance start to become a constant. So this is okay resistance. The next number is 81C. Now let me check the value of 81C.